Hi first class, this is your Busy at Maths tutorial from Monday the 15th of February. You did really well with the last page, which was also on money, and it was tough to be honest with you. There was a lot to it, but you all coped really well with it. So for this one, we're just going to take a look at these four fruits. I'll go through the whole page with you, but I think there shouldn't be too much more that you haven't done before. Everything's kind of just different versions of the things that you've done before. So we have a pear up here that costs 3 cent. We have a lemon for 4, an orange for 5 cent, and a banana for 8 cent. Iggy, so remember our friend Iggy, we had Iggy, Ziggy, we have Jack, Emma, and Laura today. So Iggy has this much. What is this? 20 cent, of course. So Iggy has 20 cent. How many pears can he buy? So you can get your pairs and you can say he can buy definitely one pair anyway because it's 3 cent and that's less than 20. But how many of them can he buy? He can buy 3, and then if you get, say, a pair and add it to another pair, you'd say 3 plus 3 makes 6. Okay, he can buy that many. He can buy 2. Can he buy 3 of them? 3 and 3 and 3 makes 9. 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 makes 12. Okay, so that's, you can buy 4 of them. 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. So that's 5 threes. That makes 15. Okay, so keep adding threes on. So you can buy that much. Can you buy another one? 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and another 3. So that's 6 times. Six pairs. Can he buy 6 pairs? 6 threes would be 18. 18, he can buy that much. So really it's about adding up small amounts. So you've got 3 cent, 4 cent, 5 cent, and 8 cent. It's about adding up small amounts, but seeing how many times you can kind of add them up to make this amount without going over the number. So you don't want to go up to 22 or 23 cent. You want to stick underneath 20 cent because Iggy only has 20 cent to spend. But can he buy a number of pairs? He can buy 6 pairs. Okay, so that first one I've done for you. The rest of them, it's just slow working out, and don't be afraid to get your maths copy out to add things up, to make it, to write it down on the page, because that will help you out when you're adding these up. I'll let you guys go ahead and do the rest because really I would just be kind of doing it for you. I think you guys can get the hang of this if you just figure out Ziggy has this much money. How many oranges can he buy? How much is the orange worth? Okay, and how many times can you get that amount, that 5 cent, out of this amount that Ziggy has? So I'm going to leave that with you guys. If I'm wrong there, and if you do need extra help, just let me know, and I'll give you a bit of extra help with it tomorrow, or with tomorrow. So color the coins that add up to these amounts. So 17 cent, and you just color in the amount that you would get for 17. Okay, I'll do that first one with you. 5 cent would definitely take a good chunk out of it. So 5 and 5 again makes 10. And there's another 5 over here. 5, 10, and 15. So then you're at 15 cent. You just need to color in one more coin, and that would be the 2. 5, 10, 15, and a 2. So that's again the same kind of stuff that you've done before. I won't go on and do any more with you. So number 7, select one coin from each set to make the amounts below. Okay, so for example, this one here, question A, 10 plus 5 plus 2 equals 17. That's actually what we kind of did up here. We were getting 17 cent. We did 5, 5, and 5, and a 2. But this one's 10 and 5 and 2 to make 17 cent. So you want to pick one coin from each set to make the amounts below. Okay, so that would be the 2 gone. Okay, so the 2 is gone. B, oh sorry, no, oh no, that one's okay. You're just using that to make this up. You can still use it again. It's a bit like the penguin ones that we do. These ones I suppose could be a little bit trickier. So you're doing question B here. Something plus something plus something makes 14 cent. Okay, so let's take a look. You could take 14. You could take a 10, a 2. So 10 plus 2, and then another 2. 10 plus 2 plus 2 makes 14. Okay. Question C, you're going to take one from this, and one from this, and you can reuse coins that you've used before. Okay, so to make 15 cent, you would take, let's see, let's try 5 over here. Let's take the 5, a 5, and another 5. 5, 10, 15 cent. So you're basically just taking one coin from each set to make the amounts that you have there. And if you make an incorrect one, like say for example with this one, that's 5, 5, and 5 to make 15. If you take the 10 by accident, so 10 plus, and then you realize 10 plus 5 is already 15. Okay, let's try that something else. 10 plus 2 makes 10, and 2 is 12. So I need to get 3 cent, and there's no 3 cent coin, is there? So you can't make 15 then. You'll have to try it, rub it out and try again, and try different numbers, different coins to make up 15 cents. So 5 and 5 and 5 makes 15 cents for that one. So I'll let you guys do the, I've done A, B, and C for you. I'll let you do D, E, and F on your own. Let me know how you get on. Those are quite tricky compared to everything else on the page, but I think you can work those out. You've done the penguin ones before, and you know how to kind of figure out which ones fit where. So best of luck with it, guys. If you need any help, please let me know. Slán.